Hello friends, very good morning one and all. Today this lecture series 4 was conducted in the channel of microscope and foldoscopic channel. So this lecture series will be very interesting, in which the answers of social media questions will be discussed. So this program was conducted under the platform of Jigyasa, VOSA student chapter CSIO, IEEE student chapter CSIO, SPY student chapter CSIO, as well as ACS student chapter CSIO, which all these social societies are used to develop and to discuss science and outreach activities. So this lecture was focused on the theme of ant microscopy. So this is the series part 4. In this I have taken as an example of microscopy of ant, and it has been taken by an instrument named foldoscope. So I will say that microscopy is an art of knowledge in which a people or a student, a children can understand different kinds of phenomena, different kinds of drawings can be drawn under this microscopy. As part of the social media platforms, I have raised two different questions in the microscopy doodling drawings. The first question was in such a manner view of this image. This image I have raised in the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn as well as WhatsApp. So I received very various different kinds of answers, such as some students have said this is image looks like a ray diagram structure in which the rays are coming and falling on our eyes. So some people have said this is looking like a mask behind the face. Some people have said these are the cheeks which are of human body, and this is the nose, and a person was wearing the mask. So all these thrilling answers are enjoyed a lot in this section. So what is the real answer we will see in upcoming slides. In a similar manner, this is the second slide of image which have raised a question. In this image, contest like students, children as well as teachers has raised the answers in such a manner. This image looks like a dog structure. Some people have said it's looking like a grasshopper. Some students have said this is looking like a spider. Some people have said it's a mask of Spider-Man. Some people have said it's looking like a corona effect, corona design. So these answers we can understand in a slow by slow manner in this lecture series. So to do the microscopy of ant, we require some kind of components. Those are, first one, I have used the magnification lens which is having magnification 10x. So under this 10x magnification, I have taken the ant structure and image which was showing in this first image and second image. The second insect is also have taken in the 10x magnification lens. So how this ant sample can be prepared to see the microscopic pattern that can be seen in second other slide. The components required for the preparation of the sample of ant sample for viewing the foldoscope microscope view are tape, tweezer and paper slide. So these are the three components it requires to make the preparation of a sample. The collected sample of insect was kept on a paper slide which is attached one side a tape and another side also we have attached this tape. This both tape structure in between masking was placed inside the foldoscope. Then we can view the images. These are the three stages which I have prepared the sample. So after keeping this paper slide into the microscopic view, we can get this kind of different kinds of patterns. These 1 to 8 images are the different kinds of structures in which I have seen the ant face, ant body, and legs, as well as different kinds of views. So in this contest of social media sites, I have used third image and fourth image to make a doodling and drawing and art of knowledge what we can see from this kind of images. So this is the first video I am taking in macroscopic view with 10x magnification lens. How this image and how this insect will be looks in 10x magnification view can be seen in this particular video. You can see this is the ant structure in 10x magnification. This is other insect where I have find out in my home. So these both images have collected in the 10x magnification macroscopic view of the insects. See, the legs of ants are moving in a very good way. How it is moving. So the second view is microscopic view of insect of ant as well as another insects looking like in this way, in this fashion. This is the ant body. This is the legs of ant. This is the head of the other insect. So how this other insect and this ant are fighting, you can see in this clear view. How it is eating. Now it is, this is the horn structure, horns. This is the view which I have taken. See how the legs are seen. 1, 2, 3. How it is under the bright field imaging technique. See how many hair structures are there on the surface of the ant looking, in which clearly we can visualize the full under the microscope. So the next video of the same similar manner I have collected in different way to understand the structure of ant. Here also the same way how it is eating the ant body in the chaman. Both the insects are fighting 1 to 1. This is the horns which it is eating in a very. So this is the structure I have taken for doodling the images of body of the structure of insect as well as ant to get that kind of pattern structures which I have placed in social media sites. This is the, you can see the hatch pattern where all people have said it's a mask structure of the human body. You can clearly see still more. This is the hatch pattern. You can see it. So this is the exact image which I have taken. It's a tail of insect. So guys, I feel the microscopy is an interesting thing can be done by every student to understand different kinds of pattern for doodling. So now we can see what kind of structures in which way I have superimposed both the drawings to get the answers. This is the left side microscopic image of doodling and drawing pattern on the image captured of the ant. In similar manner, right side microscopic image with the doodling of the drawing pattern. So we both match, the pattern looks in such a manner. This is the mask every person has understand. This is the mask structure, and this is the nose people has think. This is the cheeks. This bright field light people has thought that this is the cheeks, but really it's not a cheeks, it's not a human body, it's not a mask. This is the a cross-sectional and mirror images of ant as well as insect structure. So you can see the pattern of doodling one, which it will be looks like here. In a similar manner, the entire structure will be looks like this one. Half portion of ant tail under the microscopic view. The answer is half portion of ant tail under the microscopic view. In a similar manner, the another question I have posted in the social sites. This is the ant structure and whole body I have taken. Similarly, right side portion in the similar way. This is the both merge and mirror way. This is the ant body under the microscopic view. So thanks a lot friends. I hope you might be enjoyed this video. This kind of thrilling drawings I can show in upcoming videos also. Myself, Dr. Vemuri SR Praveen Kumar, PhD in Optical Coatings. Please subscribe my channel as well as like the button. Thanking you.